This summer, teachers across St. Lucia came together in a series of professional development workshops hosted by the Curriculum and Materials Development Unit, CAMDU. Delivered at schools in northern and southern educational districts, the sessions provided convenience and tailored support to educators while focusing on changes in the delivery of subject material. Teaching for several subjects will now be guided by newly developed e-books commissioned by the Department of Education. Kentilnia Louis, Curriculum Officer for Theatre Arts, notes the workshops are an efficient way to familiarize teachers with the content of the e-books, which were all authored by professionals in St. Lucia.
Teachers help to put this together so they, of course, know what kind of material they need. And in this ebook, we have provided best sources of different types of information through, be it links to videos, as well as quizzes, end of unit exams. So that way, all the teachers are exposed to the same material, and therefore the students are exposed to the same material. That way we can ensure that there's standardization across the island as to what the students are exposed to.
This year's sessions were designed to ensure teachers are confident in applying both the updated content and the digital resources that come with it.
What it also will do is that it helps the teacher in terms of her planning. Because of the way the book is formatted, it's very easy to go in and take what is needed, especially for the different types of learners that you have. So we ensure that there is something in there that each type of learner will be attracted to, can use, can learn from, and that way it really gives a personalized approach to each student's learning.
Valerie Fletcher is the Curriculum Officer for Health and Family Life Education. She notes the inclusion of the electronic books allows students to be more involved while increasing accessibility.
So we're thinking that this is really going to help them and our teachers, and not just the students, but the teachers as well on a whole, whether they're teaching HFL or not, because HFL is life skills based. And with the digital content, we are more able to get them focused on acquiring those life skills. Okay, and so we're really happy that this training is on board and they will be getting the e-content. So we had 2 days in the south and I had a good turnout. And teachers were very enthusiastic about, learning about the material and, using it.
Teacher response has been positive, with many praising the hands-on approach and open space for dialogue with curriculum officers. As the new school year approaches, CAMDU officials are confident that the training sessions will translate into stronger outcomes in the classroom and a smoother start for both students and staff. From the Communications Unit of the Department of Education, Innovation and Vocational Training, I am Kiba Talium.